Muraho neza, shalom bakunzi ba Rain English from Rwanda and Africa. This is a new platform. Yes, channel ya mbere igufasha kumenya icyongereza uri mu Rwanda cyangwa se uri muri Afrika. It is what you have been missing. As your English with favor of your culture. Umuco wawe hera kabando. Mu kwiga icyongereza, mu kwiga ururimi ntabwo ari imbogamizi. Iyi channel icyiza cyayo agashya kayihariye nuko igufasha gushingira ku muco wawe, ikagufasha kumenya ururimi rw'icyongereza mu buryo bushingiye uburyo wowe uvuga ururimi rwawe. Ni ukuvuga ngo ururimi rwawe cyangwa se umuco bita cultural background igufasha tugufasha kukwereka uburyo ushyira mu ngiro cyangwa se ufata uw'icyongereza ukabuza n'umuco wawe, then bikabasha kuba inzira yoroshye kugira ngo umenye icyongereza. Of course, this is your platform. It is also Rain and Juliet. It is Rain and Juliet. Uzabona muri email yacu muri contact, ushobora kwandikiraho cyangwa se ushobora kuza kutuboneraho mu gihe kugira ngo ukomeze kuzamura contact cyangwa se n'umubano byumvikana. Of course, it is aimed at helping all non-native students, abanyeshuri bose cyangwa se n'abantu bose batari mu bihugu bivuga icyongereza cyangwa se batari kavukire y'ibihugu bivuga icyongereza bose. Iyi channel ibafasha gushingira ku mico yabo, hanyuma bakamenya icyongereza kubera ko it is global language, it is international and reading language of origin. Ururimi rwa mbere rukoreshwa n'abantu benshi cyane ku isi, ndetse when you say it is global, ni ururimi nyine rw'isi. Yes, that is why you required and you must know it. Channel tuzajya tukugezaho video ebyiri z'ubwoko butandukanye kuri buri topic. Iya mbere iba ari ikinyarwanda ndetse n'icyongereza, hanyuma nyuma yo kuyumva tuguha n'akarusa ka video y'icyongereza gusa kugira ngo ubashe kwipima uvuge ngo ese nkurikije uburyo numvise iriya video y'ikinyarwanda ndetse n'icyongereza, ese ndimo ndatera imbere cyangwa ndimo ndasubira inyuma. Aho ngaho tugufasha gusa kwipima kuri icyongereza gusa, ukabasha kumva aho ugeze cyangwa se niba hari ikintu ubura nawe ukikosora cyangwa se ukongeramo agatege cyangwa se katugisha n'inama, byose tuba hari kuri bo. Yes, we are here for you girls, of course. Yes, this is today's trick. It is top 10 COVID terms to know by now. Ngira ngo mwaje kwibona amagambo 10 y'ingenzi yo kumenya kuri COVID-19 kugira ngo ubashe kugendana na situation cyangwa se kugira ngo ubashe kugendana n'iminsi turimo yo kwirinda no guhangana n'icyorezo cya COVID-19, ubashe gusobanukirwa ibigenda bikivugwaho. This is why and this is defeated through knowing what is first. Ni ngombwa kumenya icyorezo mbere y'uko ugitsinda, ndetse iyi ni inama y'abahanga muri science ndetse no mu kurwanya icyorezo cyandura. Yes, this one is also still feeling dangerous in 2021. Nibwo yatangiye muri 2019, ariko kugeza na n'uyu munsi icyorezo kiracyameze muri 2021, ndetse biragaragara ko n'umwaka utaha dushobora kuzaba tukiri kumwe nacyo. Ni ngombwa rero kumenya ndetse tukakinonosora mu buryo bwo kwirinda, tukageza nk'abanyarwanda uyu munsi ndetse n'abandi bose mu kinyarwanda byumvikana. This one is the first, it is COVID-19. COVID-19 ni ibiki? Mundi ni ibiki COVID-19 ni ibiki? Yes, kuvuga ngo 19 ntabwo bivuze ko ari ya mbere n'iya kabiri n'iya gatatu kugira ngo no, this is coronavirus, this is 19 yitiriwe indwara ya corona cyangwa se corona. It is clown in English. Now English ikamba, indwara cyangwa se virusi iterwa na virusi ikamba, ariko 19 wabonye ngira mu 19 ahantu irimo kuva niho biva kugira ngo baze kuza gushyiraho iriya 19, ntabwo ari nimero. Number 2 is this one, pandemic. What is pandemic? Pandemic is this one. Have to notice widespread epidemic that is a region or world. Indwara isakara mu gace cyangwa se n'isi yose ndetse no mu buryo bw'ibintu hose. This is number 3, curfew. Curfew, what is curfew? Curfew is order prohibiting outside certain time activities. Mu gihe runaka habuzwa gukomeza ku bikorwa runaka byose byo kwirinda icyorezo cya COVID-19 cyangwa se cya COVID-19. We want to place. Thank you. This is number 4. It is face mask. Face mask. I know, well, everyone here is accustomed to it because it's very important nowadays. And no, also you would be hearing this at this time, especially when you in public. So one and one by this mask can say protective cover. Agapukasura cyangwa se agapfukamunwa kubera ko face ni isura, mask ikaza kuba cover cyangwa se ipfuka ikintu runaka. So ipfuka isura but no mask ikunze gukoreshwa cyane. So this one, so you have it to wear safely, covering your face, covering your mouth and nose, basically from avoiding pandemic. This one is next is outbreak. Outbreak doesn't mean that ntabwo ari ukuvuga ngo ni out na break. Bazi outbreak out yakavuga no, it's not. It is fixed word. It is single word that is sudden violent attack. Ikintu giteye ubwoba kiza kiza vuba vuba. It's what we call outbreak. This is lockdown. What do you know about lockdown? Lockdown is this one. An isolation and restriction on travel access, especially for preventing spread of disease. Wagarika ingendo uburyo kwirinda ikwirakwira ry'icyorezo. Okay, ingendo zirahagarikwa cyane cyane hano iyo icyorezo kimeze nabi. Health organs restrict people in lockdown. Ibihe bikomeye by'icyorezo, inzego z'ubuzima zibuza abaturage ingendo cyane rwose. This is number 7. Quarantine. Have to sound quarantine. The quarantine is enforcing infected patients, the isolation for controlling the disease. No gushyira abantu bamaze kwandura icyorezo kafi cyangwa se umuhezo mu buryo bwo kukirwanya. This one is quarantine. Also you have to stay at home. Because this is next, vaccination. What is vaccination? From vaccine. Vaccine is a medicine to protect contracting a disease. Gukingira, no gukingira guhura n'iyo ndwara cyangwa se kwandura iyo ndwara. You can see some vaccines that have been manufactured so far, fabricated, of course. Such examples are of COVID-19 vaccines. Zimwe mu ngero z'inkingo zamaze gukorwa byumvikana. This is the first AstraZeneca from UK Oxford mu Bwongereza. Of course it's Moderna cyangwa se Moderna guturuka muri USA cyangwa se Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika. Hanyuma number 6 Pfizer muri biotech, Pfizer ndetse na Pfizer biotech ni urukingo rumwe hano nuko rwakozwe n'amakorporasiyo cyangwa se ibigo bibiri, Pfizer ya Amerika ndetse na biotech yo mu Budage. This is next is social distance yo murayizi cyane. Social distance ni ingenzi cyane mu gihe kwirinda icyorezo, no guhana intera hagati y'abantu. It is reducing social interaction among people to block spread of contagious disease. Indwara yandura mu buryo vuba niyo bita contagious yandura mu buryo bworoshye, like this pandemic yandura mu buryo bworoshye cyane. Niyo mpamvu tugomba gushyiramo 1 meter cyangwa se social distance 1 meter, ariko na why not meter 2 meter. Like of course tuseme na meter na kibazo. Of course this one number 10 is hand sanitizer and ventilator. Of course what is hand sanitizer? Nayo murayizi cyane. You are keeping your hands on the This is contagious for cleaning hands or for washing hands. Hand washing, so someone yabugenewe gusukura intoki. You have to press and wash degree for avoiding independence. So this is ventilator. Ventilator is facilitating the device in the case of respiratory failure. This one imashini ifasha umurwayi guhumeka igihe nyine yagize ibibazo by'umwuka guhumeka. This one so iyo ugeze muri kuri uru rwego ifashishwa ventilator cyangwa se imashini Yes, this is the last one but not least. Icyanyuma ariko icy'agaciro nacyo not least ntabwo ari icy'agaciro gakeya. This is corona variants. What is corona variant? Virus, it is virus keeping change from the standard or another. This is virus yihinduranya numvikana, hari virus zihinduranya ziva kuri coronavirus ariyo bita standard cyangwa se byagaragaye bwa mbere. Some examples dufite za virus zihinduranya ziri mu byiciro bibiri, biri mu two classes. The first is variants of concern, cyangwa se virus ziba zangagishije, virus ziteye ubwoba, ndetse na virus variants of interest zangagishije nk'izi zo hejuru. Of course, examples of various concern we have the first, it is alpha. Of course, this is important to know. And then we have this one is gamma. You have to know this one. This one is also beta. The next is beta. Of course, alpha. Just one number one. Yagaragaye bwa mbere. You have to know their sources. Aho zagaragaye bwa mbere muri UK, iya alpha ya mbere mu Bwongereza, nyuma iyi gamma igaragara mu bagenzi b'Abanyapani bavuga muri Brazil, ikana kari muri Brazil rero. Hanyuma gatatu iva bwa mbere yagaragaye mu Buhinde, hanyuma iyi beta iza kugaragara muri Afrika yacu, Afrika y'Epfo. Birumvikana hari n'isi variants of interest ngo zidahangayikishije, ariko nazo ni ngombwa kwirinda icyorezo. Hanyuma iya mbere yitwa iota yagaragaye bwa mbere muri America, US, United States. Number B yagaragaye bwa mbere bayita hepa, yagaragaye bwa mbere muri India cyangwa se mu Buhinde. Hanyuma iyi number C bwa mbere igaragara muri Peru. Guys, I think this lesson was much more helpful for you for knowing much more about COVID-19. Is very invaluable to be with you. This is much more essential for you and us. Mwakoze cyane kabisa kubana natwe, kubana n'isano, kubana n'urubuga. Yes, turabakunda cyane, ndetse n'umutekano n'izindi video zigiye kuza very soon kuba cyane zivuga noneho ku bumenyi by'umwihariko bw'icyongereza, bwo kugira ngo utangire kuvuga icyongereza, twiga dutuje kandi twishimye, turi safe, tunaseka. Yes, ntabwo ari bya bindi byo kuvuga ngo ururimi rwacu, urabona umuco wacu, iki byose, ahubwo twe tugihindura amahirwe yo kugira ngo umenye icyongereza, icyongereza safely and achieve tools and achieve capacity of becoming, speaking, using English like a native. Why not? Like a native. Yes, start doing your business, starting enhancing your relationship with English speakers. Yes, of course. So, that means next video soon. Without so, contact zacu ngizo, ushobora kutwandikira, ushobora guhura natwe tukagufasha mu buryo butandukanye bwa English. Soon, next video. Make sure you don't miss out any video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like our channel, like a video. Make sure that in comments, make sure that you comment and write something on our channel. So today we want you to tell us turashaka ko utubwira ese muri location yawe aho uherereye ikibazo cya corona muri kurwanya gute, muri kugitsinda cyangwa se sometimes muri ku ingamba ntabwo muri kuzishyira mu bikorwa. Ni ngombwa ko twirinde kino cyorezo. So meet you soon on the next video. Love you so much.